Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a uniform shirt. First, always check the care label inside your shirt to determine the fabric type and the best iron temperature setting. Next, fill your iron with distilled water. This helps create steam and prevents mineral deposits on your clothes. Then, set your iron to the correct heat level. Finally, make sure your ironing board is clean and ready for use, providing a smooth surface for perfect results. Now, let's tackle the main body of the shirt. Start with the back, laying it flat on the board and gliding the iron from the top down. Then, move to the front panels, being extra careful to iron around any buttons without pressing directly on them. For the sleeves, lay one flat, smoothing out any wrinkles, and iron from the cuff towards the shoulder. Do the same for the other sleeve, aiming for a perfectly smooth finish. The collar and cuffs are key to a sharp look. First, lay the collar completely flat on the ironing board. Iron it from the outer points inward, then fold it back into its natural position and give it a quick, light press. Next, unbutton each cuff and flatten it out. Iron both the inside and outside surfaces thoroughly, making sure all edges are crisp and there are absolutely no wrinkles left. You're almost done. As soon as you finish ironing, immediately place the shirt on a sturdy hanger. This is crucial to prevent any new wrinkles from forming while it cools. Take a moment to quickly inspect the entire shirt for any small spots you might have missed. Let the shirt cool down completely before putting it away in your closet. Proper storage helps maintain that perfectly pressed, crisp look for longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.